Well, hello, my name's Jim Robertson. I'm President and Chief Executive Officer of Blackheath Resources Inc. Blackheath has the symbol BHR and it's listed on the TSX Venture Exchange. It is totally focused on tungsten in Portugal. Well, our flagship project is the Covas Project. It's a past-producing mine. It was also drilled by Union Carbide back in 1980, and it has a historic resource of over 900,000 tons of high-grade tungsten, grading 0.78% or 7.8 kilograms per ton tungsten. Just as a very rough idea, tungsten currently is worth about $37 a kilogram in very approximate terms. The resource is not 43-101 compliant. It is a historic resource, but we've got every reason to believe that it has value moving forward, and what we're trying to do now is to expand that resource and increase the tonnage. It's an interesting program that we've been going through. Our drilling program certainly has come up with some very high-grade results. It also has expanded the skarn zone, and we will be back in drilling Covas later this summer. We also have another flagship project, the Borralha project. This is the largest past-producing tungsten mine in Portugal. It produced until 1985, when tungsten prices plummeted with the Chinese flooding the market basically to get hard currency. Since then, of course, tungsten prices have improved dramatically. The mine operated basically underground, treating horizontal veins and vertical veins, but there is a large breccia zone that also contains mineralization. We've taken trench samples from that. They come up very encouraging, and we are currently drilling below the surface where some of the material was mined by apanistas, or illegal miners who took the wolframite, the tungsten ore, out, particularly during the war. And that program is ongoing, and we expect results from that in the next couple of months. In addition to our two flagship projects, we've also acquired other past-producing tungsten mines in Portugal. We have the third and fourth largest past producers, so we have the top past-producing mines, all of which shut down in 1985, and other than Covas, none of them have seen any diamond drilling since that time. Nobody's been working them. We're really the first people back in there. Portugal used to produce most of Europe's tungsten historically, and we're looking to see if we can reaffirm that position in Europe again with our current projects. Well, yes, the insiders have been buying some shares in the last 12 months. We already own fairly significant share positions. In fact, directors and associates and management own about 25% of this company, and all of those shares have been paid for. None have been gifted. But we've also participated in private placements, some market buying as well, not a great amount, but the private placements that we've done at the end of last year, we participated in. We're currently undertaking a private placement now, which will close fairly shortly, and there'll be participation in that as well. We believe in the company. Well, our objective by the end of the year, all being well, with following wind and positive results, we would like to get 43-101 estimates for both Covas and also Borralha. There's a lot of caveats behind that, of course, but we are in fact drilling Borralha right now. We believe that those results will be out probably within a couple of months. We will also be drilling our Covas project, and we are adding to resources there. We're also stepping out to new zones that have been previously untested. But we're optimistic we'll get good results from both of those programs, and those results will be forthcoming over the next several months. There's some great companies here at the show. I think a lot of them have very attractive assets and are probably very undervalued. But quite frankly, I gave up stock picking quite a long time ago. I'm really focused on Blackheath, and that's the one where I'm looking at, and that's where my money goes.